Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The first new details about the most futuristic Budget King mobile phone, the Samsung Galaxy A38 5G, have revealed online. According to the latest news, Samsung Electronics MX business plans to reuse the OLED display panel from the previous cheaper model in its future Galaxy A38 5G smartphone, which is scheduled to launch next year. Here are the new details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. How to save on a screen. South Korean giant company is planning a screen brightness reduction. New reports claim that the Samsung Galaxy A38 smartphone will reuse the A27 display panel. According to a report by ZDNet Korea citing industry sources, Samsung Electronics MX business plans to reuse the OLED display panel from the Galaxy A27 model in its Galaxy A38 smartphone, which is scheduled to launch next year. As a reminder, the Galaxy A37 and A27, both smartphones use a 6.7-inch, 1080x2340 resolution, 120Hz OLED punch-hole screen, but there are some differences in the specifications. The display panel on the A37 can reach an outdoor brightness of 1900 nits, and supports always-on display, while the display panel on the Galaxy A27 can only reach an outdoor brightness of 800 nits, and does not support AOD. Due to differences in materials and manufacturing processes, the Galaxy A27 screen is of a lower grade than the A37, which is one of the ways Samsung differentiates its Galaxy A series. The fact that the Galaxy A38 reuses the A27 panel means that future models in the Galaxy A3X series will feature a downgraded display specification. Analysts believe that the Galaxy A27 screen is relatively inexpensive, and using the same panel in the future budget Galaxy A38 will help reduce costs and enhance its ability to cope with the continuously rising prices of memory semiconductors. This is a full story, how to save on a screen. The Samsung Galaxy A38 will use a budget version of the Galaxy A27's OLED display. It is expected that the new Galaxy A38 5G will launch in April next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.